Namaste dosto. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Everyday Manufacturing. So today we'll be discussing as to how to initiate the online payment on Sugam portal, which comes under the domain of the Indian CDSCO. So what you need to do in step number 1, आपको Google Chrome open करके आपको login का URL put करना है. So what is that URL? You need to put https www.cdsconline.gov.in. The moment you put this web address in a Google Chrome, then a page will open where a page will comprise of the following dashboard as appear on my backside of the screen. Then आपको क्या करना है? आपको user login credential को enter करना है. When I say user login credential, it means you need to put your username and the password. The moment you fill the username and the password, you need to click the login button, right? Once you click the login button, the dashboard will appear. The dashboard comprises of the user guideline, the user profile, the submitted application and so on. So what you need to do, on the top left hand side of the screen, the menu option will be shown. The moment you click the menu option, there will be one more option which is called as the online payment option. The moment you click the online payment option, then you need to fill the online challan payment details. What are the various fields which is under the online challan payment detail? So the fields which are there in the online challan payment details are payment date, username and address, the division name, the purpose, the budget head, the fee paid, the medical product for which you are applying, and the payment stuff. How much amount you are going to pay. Payment date will be created by default. Username and address will come by default. Division name, yes, you need to select the division name from the drop down list to whom required the online application submitted, right? Then you need to click the purpose. In purpose also the option will come. Then you select the budget head, put your medical product name, then put the required amount. Let's say if you are filing MD12, you need to put the value as 500 in INR, right? So for more detail about the pricing, you can refer the Indian CDSCO MDR 2017 guideline, mainly the 6th schedule, and you'll be get all the fee part of it, right? So now let's proceed. So the moment you click all that details, now you need to go to step number 3. So you need to make the payment using Bharatkosh payment gateway, right? On clicking the submit button, payment request will be forwarded to Bharatkosh payment gateway. The moment you land up to the Bharatkosh payment gateway, the initiation of online payment will be done via Bharatkosh way, right? So all the necessary details will be visible on the screen, such as payment mode, online payment, the depositor detail, the city, states, pin code, under whom head you are transferring the money, right? The purpose and all those stuff. Then you need to click the confirm button. The moment you click the confirm button, it will navigate to another page, right? So the page will appear like the one which is displayed on my backside of the screen. Now there are two options. Either you need to select the SBI Pay or the ICICI Bank. Let's say I'm going to select the SBI ePay payment gateway, right? The moment you click the SBI payment gateway, there are 4 options: net banking, debit card, credit card, and the IPS, whatever the EPI part, right? IMPS. Now you select the net banking, let's say, view the user charge will get, then put the captcha code. Now put the tick that you acknowledge and comply with all the requirements. Then you select the pay button. The moment you click the pay button, right, it will end up to the another page where you need to put the values and all, like how much amount you need to pay. For me it's 500 rupees, so I'm going to select the 500 rupee. The moment you pay the amount, then the receipt of the payment confirmation would be generated. So it will be like this kind of thing: SBI ePay test bank, and the order number and the amount part, right? So once you pay the amount, where are you going to see whether the amount have been paid successfully? Now you need to track your payment status in the online payment status option in the Sugam portal. Click on the menu bar. Again you will get that online payment status. The moment you click, all the types of the application which you have filed in past, it will show. So there are mainly how much, like there are mainly almost 12-14 types of the payment status, right? So it could be the confirm, payment initiated, incomplete, submitted, success, fail, abort, and so on based on the demand. So you can go through my backside screen, you can find out more in detail, right? So let's say your payment is been done successfully. Now you need to get a payment e-challan, right? So for getting the payment e-challan, you need to click, the GAR 6 or the GAR 7 option, right, respectively. So the moment you go with the GAR 6, GAR 7 will be able to generate the e-challan respectively, right? Then how to use the online payment challan which applying to CDSCO? To use the online payment transaction in an application to be submitted to CDSCO, user is required to upload GAR 7 challan that is generated at NTRP Bharatkosh website. User has to upload this payment challan in step number 4 as submission workflow of the Sugam portal. Right? Then you click the upload challan button and upload the challan and put the submit button. The moment you click the submit, the application will be submitted successfully. I hope you must have enjoyed my today's lecture. Please do like my video, comment on my video and share in your valuable network. Till then, take care. Bye bye.